Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from Jacob. Welcome on my channel. I'm going to make a quick video about patio covering or patio door. As you can see, I have this big patio. It's about like this. This opening was 150 inch wide and 106 inch tall. I was looking for something from long time to cover it because the way we convert this patio in a kitchen. So in my case, I have a kitchen, but there can be many situations where you want to cover your patio. Actually, that side I have a wall and a match stuck over the house, but this side I always concerned about it. I don't want to be fully closed. I need something like I can have a glass door open. I need some kind of a screen, if like a fresh air. That's all purpose for the patio, but we can leave it open. Then if you have a food outside, then might be flies, mosquitoes, a lot of stuff. So you also need to prevent your food. If you have any situation like that, I'll give you quick like review, like a video, what you can do about it. Like say I have this area, I have searched a lot of things. I even couldn't find any video on YouTube can help me so I can cover this patio in a budget. So I was checking aluminum doors stuff and everything. It was costing me about $8,000 to $15,000 if I have a buy what do you call that, sliding door stuff. Like if I have to make it, I don't want to do all wood frame and everything because it's not going to be least longer. So I have found a couple things and I'm going to share with you guys. So first thing, this door is like 80 inch wide and 96 inch tall. If you have to buy this door, you're gonna buy only custom because it's not standard size. And this door is cost about like $2,000 to $3,000. I was lucky one day in a Home Depot, might be somebody order and they brought them wrong fitting or something, and it was I think 50% or 70% off. So from here I have made all my ideas how I'm gonna do it. So I decided to buy this door and I made a frame for this door. The rest of area I want to cover with glass or something. Then I found in Lowe's these doors. They're actually screen kind of a windows, and but you can convert into doors. It comes with all the hardwares. This door by itself is 80 by 36 and this one is 80 by 30. So whatever size fit on you. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this door over here. I'm gonna fill this one, and this one not a glass, nothing, a screen. Right now I'm gonna use as a screen, then I will put some curtains inside. And the rest of area I'm going to fill with the vinyl wall planks. I'm cutting it and putting like that. They're really easy. I show you how you can cut with the table saw. It's like that. It's a little bit expensive. It's this piece, 8-foot piece by 5 inch. It's cost about like $17 per piece, and you can cut, you can put as you want. You can also cover by this one, and I will also share the final. I'm not going to make a whole video, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put those vinyl planks here. I put it here. Same thing I'm gonna do on top. They lock each other. Then you just need 2 brad nails. I'm gonna finish that one. Then I have a vinyl molding. I got this one like about maybe 1.5 inch by 1/4 inch. I also have a corner I'm gonna fill with windows. So actually I'm running out of my time. I don't have that much time to make a detailed video, but I will make some clips so it can give you some idea. So here I'm right now. I'm gonna start making, and we will come back when I'm gonna put this door. Once I have this one, then I'm gonna put this sliding door. Then I will put those windows, screens. Then I'm gonna start trimming out. So now it's already half of the day and I'm almost here right now. As you can see, I have hanged up the door already, and I put those doors. Actually, I'm going to use as the windows. And this side, I put this one and the top. Almost done. What I have to do, I'm going to run a quarter round or trim all the way on the top. I have to run on the sides, whatever the gap. I have to run on the bottom. And I will also run a quarter round along with my door so I can fill this gap. Almost. For me, it's looking really good right now. We'll see what's going to happen when we're going to finish. So I will keep updating. So here is the finished project right now. I'm done already, just only left a slide door to put it in, and I have to seal the bottom, all the molding and everything. I have to fill the gaps outside because it's going to be watered, so I'm going to use some kind of a silicone. Inside I'm going to use a normal filler. So I'm going to show you inside. That's outside look like. And if you see inside I have everything covered already. So only the bottom left because I have to fill with the foam. I have to fill all the gaps, so I'm going to protect it like any insects to get in. I have to also seal the sides. So as I say, inside I'm going to use something so I can paint, because inside I use this trim is by the board, like it's a wood, and outside is a PVC. So that's the windows. I can show you I had to fill those gaps. Anything I will fill. That's just simple process. And now this patio cover is already done. So hope it's gonna give you some kind of ideas if you are looking for the same project. And if I have anything else I'm going to add in it, I will update another video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with a new topic.